Hey everybody, good afternoon. Welcome everyone. Thank you for watching. We are going to open up a box that came in the mail. I found it on the front porch today. Yay! Now, I can't remember if it's what I ordered or whether it came from the live sale, but this is from Soft Squares and it's heavy. Yeah, we need to get this thing open. Let's see what we got in here. I need to get some glasses on too. Let me grab some glasses. Okay, here we go. These are my new glasses from Costco. Okay, here we go. Nice. Very pretty sticker. Oh, this is what I ordered. Okay, good. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you, Marlon. Oh boy, we got all these goodies in here. Oh good, my playing card. Put that on my stack. It's a beautiful brochure, and it holds everything for you. Oh, they combined it all together. Wow, that'll be, no wonder it's so heavy. It's like 2 packages in one. Oh my goodness, look at all these goodies. Oh, and a flag of valor. A free pattern. Isn't that nice? Thank you, Lynn. That's very nice. Okay, and interesting about her quilting supplies, her community groups, lovely brochure. Then we have, information about the summer quilt retreat in August, the winter quilt retreat in December, and a blurb about the best Quilters Advent boxes available. And then we've got 4 different quilt kits that are cultivated by Soft Squares, and that would be the 12 Days of Christmas, the Jingle Bells Pines with the little truck. Then we have the most wonderful Karma Court, and we have Summer on the Farm. I think that's a lamb farm's design. Boy, oh boy, those are all very tempting. We'll have to think about that. Okay, so we got some fabrics and my yummies. So I ordered between the pages a navy fabric from Fran Gulick for Riley Blake because I thought this was just really beauteous. Let me take it out of the sack. Everything's double bagged. It's wonderful. Ooh, it's very soft. I wonder what that says. Well, you can't really read it, but I thought it would go well with my, if I needed some more flowery script for my Jane Austen. And then look at this. Isn't this perfect for Jane Austen? I like that. That's beautiful. Not sure how I'm going to use it. That one's called Sweet Meadow Garden Trellis. Oh, by the way, this one was priced at $7.20. This one was actually full price at $13.30. That's, I think, the most expensive I've ever spent. Because I'm such a cheapskate. Oh, and then another one that I ordered was Sunbonnet Porcelain from Heather Briggs of Miso Quilty Life from Moda, and that's out of stock. That's too bad. But that's, well, that'll be okay. If we get it, fine. If we don't get it, fine. Now, the rest of this is called a live sale. And so we got, oh boy, lots of goodies. Let's get in there. pre-wound bobbins. I love those things. And these were only $5.50, unheard of. I think the last package I bought was maybe twice as many, and it was 15 or so, and it was on sale. So this is really super price. Then we have, oh, the Rainforest Glow Fat Quarter Bundle. And these fabrics have a shimmer to them or neon so that they light up in the dark with a flashlight. I will take them out and look at them. And I got the Rainforest Glow panel because I think I want to make a quilt for one of my bigger boy, my 7-year-old. He has that hunting quilt, but I want him to have something fun and cheerful. And look at all this fun and cheerful stuff here. Isn't that beautiful? And then the Fat Quarter Bundle, let's open that up. We may as well. I really liked them when they showed them on the live. And Shannon did a beautiful job of selling. And I think I got a super Dyna-Whopping deal too. Okay, so this one is the green one with the frogs. And the blue dragonflies. And then the coordinating dots. Multicolored frogs. Blue frogs. And I'm pretty sure that each one of these is an iridescent one. Then the pale blue jumping multi frogs. Oh boy, this one's really pretty. This is jungle frogs. Green multi frogs. Then green frogs. And then an orange. Knock 'em dead orange. Huh? What a nice bundle, huh? This Fat Quarter Bundle was the unheard of price of, let's see, Rainforest. $27.50 for 11 of them. Rainforest Glow. So that's less than $3 per. So that's very good, very good. And then the panel. And so let's move on. The next one I've got was the Pastoral Symphony 5-piece Fat Quarter Bundle for $8.75. Well, that was a superbly special price. Wow, did I get a collection of stuff or what? So one of them is a blue, like a Dresden plate or something like that. And then one is just multicolored little boho type flowers. And then a large floral. I like that. And then this is birds. You see the birds? They're sort of a artist's rendition of a bird, you know. And then another boho print. I'm collecting a few boho things. I had a couple in the Advent box that'll go really nicely with this bundle, except for this guy, which is not really part of that. I don't know why they came together, but that part of that grouping. Now that Pastoral Symphony 5-piece bundle was $8.75. Super. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, I got some yardage of that stuff. And the yardage was on sale for $7 a yard. Isn't that beautiful? I think I just got 1 yard. Yeah, 1 yard. And then I got some frogs for the, you know, like if I do a quilt, I'll need to have some frogs and some dots, like for sashings and borders. You know, so we have everything we need to make a really super quilt. And all the little fabrics. So, you know, we could probably make 2. I got so much, but that is a nice bundle. So I have the panel, the bundle, and 2 yards of fabric. And the fabrics were at $10 a yard. And the panel was $10. So what a haul. That was an incredible bunch of fabrics. And I think this is one of my favorites. And then these 2. I mean, I like the frogs for the kids, but these are the ones I really like. And that's what I ordered. I'm always wanting to look in there. Is there something more? Okay, well, thanks for watching, and let's dream about what we're going to make with these fabrics, right? And I just love these Soft Squares live sales on Mondays. And it's like 4 o'clock Pacific, but you'll have to look it up and see what it is. It's on YouTube. All right, well, thank you, and have a good afternoon, and let's plan out what we're going to do with all this fabric, okay? Take care. Bye.